Updating your payment information on PayPal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gift symbol. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, find and select the option for payment methods or wallet. This section allows you to view and manage your linked payment options. Step 4. Update your payment information. Choose the payment method you wish to update, such as a credit card or bank account. Click on the edit option to make changes or add a new payment method if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, ensure you save the changes. Look for a confirmation message or button to finalize the update. Now your payment information is updated and you can continue using PayPal without any issues.